So when it comes to social media, and again, we're seeing this on any platform, posting and ghosting is not going to serve you. Not everything we do has to be a brand new idea. So repeating trends, especially seeing this in SEO, any kind of search-related trends, if it's worked for you before, do it again. So it's actually really common we see that people just, everything you do is often okay, what we're doing next month, what we're doing next month. There's not let's look back over the past few years and look at what the most popular things we did were and how we can engage with people again. So we found that doing these hot or not blogs all throughout the year, we're getting more views. So we introduced doing them around lots of different periods. So I'm not necessarily suggesting you do a hot or not blog, but what I'm suggesting is you look at your analytics and you look at the type of content people are engaging with and you do it again. So everyone here probably has a love-hate relationship, definitely a lot more hate than love, with Google Analytics. And so we need to be thinking about different ways that we attribute. And, you know, we're a performance marketing agency, and in the world where everyone is thinking more performance, ROI on everything we do, we need to be a bit savvier about how we are attributing our activity. And so saying, for example, about the social media and not putting links in. If you've got a spokesperson in the business who's posting a lot on their personal profile, they're not putting links in, can you directly correlate when they had a post that performed really well on LinkedIn, for example, we got this spike in website traffic? Because I guarantee you that's happening, but we can't connect it in the traditional way. We need to focus on thinking about engaging people only on the platform they are on. So instead of going, oh, we want to drive people from social media to our website, we want to drive people from the search engine to our website, we want to engage with them there. We want the full experience for them to have to be where they are. So whether that is on a search platform, whether it is on social, it's not about always trying to drive them somewhere else. So when it comes to social media, and again, we're seeing this on any platform, posting and ghosting is not going to serve you. So I know we've all got our social media scheduling tools and it's very easy to just schedule stuff to go out, but your customers are commenting, they're talking about you, they're talking about topics that include you online, and most commonly businesses are not there engaging in that conversation. So it's really important, if social media is part of your strategy, that you have a plan of how you are engaging with people and you're not just posting and ghosting.